Okay, here we are, unpacking in the age of Corona. I actually have my poor wife doing the unboxing. Okay.
Wow, it's got its own cargo net.
I know, it's so scary. It's like they don't want it to escape.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice packaging, actually.
Yes, they're sweet.
And it's much better than like packing peanuts that are going to get all over the floor. So we do it on the granite countertop here because it's very, very easy to disinfect. There's all the warranty stuff. Take away the packing there. Sleeve. Nice. The cat. Very essential. Oh, there we are, the black Tudor box. Very, very gorgeous. All right, should we go further?
Yeah, we can pause. We can switch off if you want to be the one to have the...
Do you think we need to wipe that with Clorox?
Yes.
Okay. We're cleaning it up with Clorox. What have we become? Nice job. Clean up the whole area. Keep all the packing stuff in case it's faulty or whatever. Okay, so we can switch off. Okay. Big moment. More stuff. Should I disinfect it?
It's up to you. I don't think it's going to be an issue.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That means somebody touched it, by the way.
Oh.
Because I had to take that off of it, right?
Good. Well.
Instruction book, which will come in handy since it has no complications. It should be really tough to figure out how to use it. This looks like it could have a lot of Corona on it.
You think?
No,
it's kind of porous, so you might be alright.
Okay. Here's a nice inside box. Actually, it's a really nice box.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's cold.
That Clorox is still fresh if you want to use it.
Thanks, honey.
Sure.
Oh, here we go. Look at that, huh? Definitely somebody handled that because it's not like, but that's okay. I mean, you kind of want someone to
check it.
Yeah, to check it. So, pretty gorgeous. Pretty nice. Nice, huh? Great. Can't wait to do a full review. Thanks. So we got this nice plastic on here. It's covering it. Sides. Look good. Oops. Temporary removal of this type extra will disqualify your rights to return this product. So I will not be taking that off until I'm sure. It still has the blue. The back, very plain back on that, which is nice. There it is. So we got the Tudor Black Bay with the black aluminum bezel, and looks tip top. Ready to test it and do a full review. Thanks. Hi guys, once again, here's that beautiful face of the Tudor Black Bay 41mm black aluminum bezel. You can see that lovely Tudor rose. There. And that great snowflake hands. And that great dial with those minute marks in that perfect gold tone that will match so many straps so well. Almost ready to pull the plastic off. So I ran it overnight just to make sure it was tip top, and it was only off a second from when I had set it the day before. Here's the sticker, and I still have everything on there. So being very paranoid, but I think it's time to peel the plastic off, adjust the strap to fit me, and then see what it's like. Okay, so here's the big scary moment. We've decided to keep this watch since it only lost a second overnight, but now I'm going to take all the plastic off and all the other stuff, which is kind of a big step, right? Yeah. All right, here we go. Wow, it's first time we actually see it. Has this covering here. I'm assuming there's a... Oh, that's funny. I thought there was like a helium escape valve, but I guess there isn't one. But that's fine. And then take this off. The handy dandy pocket knife. Cut away from it. And we'll take all these blue plastics off. Maybe we'll do that off camera since it's not that exciting. And here's what it looks like on my 7 1/4 wrist. Looks beautiful. It's great. It's gonna be fun to shop for different straps. This bracelet's very, very comfortable. Very excited to do a full review. So I'll be doing that after I spend some time with it. But I'm very, very pleased. So thanks very much for making it to the end. And keep a watch out for part 2. Thanks. Take care. Stay well.